Every few years, cryptocurrency captures the attention of the public, and it's not going away. Cryptocurrency is not a fad anymore. It's happening right now, and your clients are part of it. Are you struggling to keep up with the crypto wave? Do you feel prepared to discuss blockchain, NFT, cross-chain bridge, or other crypto-related terms with your clients? We're here to help, introducing our crash course, the foundational understanding of crypto, designed to give you an overview of crypto terminology so that you understand what your clients are saying, how it is already impacting many sectors of business, and tackling the critical tax issues that come with creating a professional crypto tax report. Additionally, this course will offer an AMA where you can ask anything related to the course content in crypto. This course will help you talk crypto with confidence, understand crypto's use case, and serve clients who hold crypto. Become the crypto-savvy professional your clients need, because crypto is here to stay. The crypto world doesn't pause, neither should you. Enroll now and take a leap towards mastering the crypto landscape. This course will put you ahead of the curve, and it may qualify for your annual education credits. Join us now.